pleases me when a man with good sense presents it in a worthy court. For one good thing advances with another, and a noble calling once recognized, the more it's spoken of is worth more than at the beginning. So this is how I must present myself, I who come newly here, and show without delay the wisdom that has grown in me. For whoever directs himself toward two places may quickly draw great joy from it. So from this count I await a noble gift from Barcelona. May it profit me and honor him, and I believe if he doesn't hesitate to give, that in his court, where I've arrived, famine is a true diminishing. A baron must guard against shameful hesitation. Some things unknown that stay hidden before a greater rumor rises. Such a matter too widely known is only great by appearance. And not slowly make an effort against youth, for a trouble overwhelms you from there where the sun shines, in which you'll be deceived if no agreement comes from France. For with a valiant young man you have war and strife there, one who strikes so with his lance that he has no fear or doubt of those cut down English, or of your sneezers. There the verse stays, where swords over shields will take vengeance for